morning, students. This is Murthy, sir. Today, you will learn about some more examples of animal behavior. First, let us see the intelligent behavior of scrubsy bird. Scrubsays are also the only non-primate or non-dolphin shown to plan ahead for the future, known as metacognition, which was previously thought of as a uniquely human trait. Other studies have shown that they can remember locations of over 200 food catchers, as well as the food item in each catch and its rate of decay. This is the photograph of California's scrubsay bird. If other birds are watching while a scrubsay hides its food, and if it then keeps recatching it, this may very well not be due to the fact that it is trying to mislead the other birds, but because it is becoming stressed by their presence. It may perhaps be thinking, I need to hide more worms for later. Students, you know very well, squirrel is a very cute, intelligent, and active animal. Squirrels are extremely intelligent creatures. They are known to put on elaborate, bogus food burying displays to deceive onlookers. The fake burials are to trick potential thieves, such as other squirrels or birds, into thinking that they have stored their food stock there. There are 44 species of squirrels. Here you can observe a cute squirrel sitting on the branch of a tree and it is eating food with the help of four limbs. Now let us see how a wasp builds a nest with the help of mud. Mud daubers or dirt daubers are a type of wasp that have extended tails. They gather dirt and mix it with their saliva to create rock hard nests on the side of homes. These nests are hard to remove and leave a permanent stain. In the spring season, pupae develop into adults. The new adult females begin building a new nest and after completing the mud nest, begin to capture insects or spiders that are placed into each mud nest cell. Eggs are deposited on the prey within each cell and the cell will be sealed with mud. The larvae which are formed, they feed on the food that is stored in the nest. Here you can observe a wasp and its nest. Pheromones are organic compounds used for chemical communication. Ants use pheromones in a number of different ways, such as releasing danger pheromones upon death to alert nearby ants or to create chemical trails from their nests to promising food sources. Other ants in the colony can use their antennae to detect these pheromones and respond. Students, you all know ants are very disciplined and hardworking insects. Pheromones are generally recognized as a single or small set of compounds that transmit signals between organisms of the same species to change their behavior. They can perceive and respond to remarkably small quantities of certain organic compounds, which include alarm, food trail, and sex pheromones. Human behavior is more complex as humans possess high thinking ability. The most important thing that most clearly differentiates humans from animals is the capacity to self reflect. Human behavior is very much driven by the conscious mind or the ego. Animals, while they do feel things like lack of self esteem, which comes from the subconscious mind without egos. The humans are capable of expressing different kinds of emotions. The only innate behaviors in humans are reflexes. A reflex is a response that always occurs when a certain stimulus is present. For example, a human infant will grasp an object, such as a finger, that is placed in its palm. The infant has no control over this reaction because it is innate. Here is a cute baby grasping the finger of her mother. As a descriptive term, imitation covers a wide range of behavior. Among human beings, imitation can include such everyday experiences as yawning when others yawn, a host of unconsciously and passively learned replications of social conduct, and the deliberate adoption of the ideas and habits of others. Here you can observe a child is imitating his father. If you have ever been in a public area and heard a familiar notification shim or tone, this classical conditioning example will certainly ring true for you. You hear that tone and instinctively reach for your smartphone, only to realize it's coming from someone else's phone. The shim or tone is a neutral stimulus. This is one practical example of conditioning in humans. Now let us learn about Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devil, now found in the wild only on the Australian island state of Tasmania. These creatures can give off a very powerful odor when under stress. This helps them to protect their environment. But when calm and relaxed, they are not smelly at all. Now let us see bombardier beetle. Bombardier beetle, when disturbed, they eject a hot noxious chemical spray from the tip of their abdomen. Whenever it feels threatened, the chemicals mix with some special enzymes. Heat from the reaction brings the foul smelling liquid to near 100 degrees centigrade and produces gas that drives the ejection.